Hey guys, Mr. MS here. I'm gonna open up this brake line flaring toolkit with you guys. Alright, so this is like the vise that you clamp the brake lines in. And you take this piece, when you get the brake lines clamped in, and you take whatever size your brake line is, and stick this down inside of it, and then use this other piece to push on to make the flare. And then there's it's a double flare kit, so you use this for one, and then you just flare it with this to finish it. I bought this on Amazon. It was like $30 or something. It was really cheap. I'll try to leave a link for this in the description section of this video. But anyways guys, be sure to leave this video a like and subscribe to stay tuned for more MS adventures. See you in the next one.